catching junk. Okay, got something on. Hey, what is happening, guys? I am here on a dock at a lake off the interstate, and I'm gonna be doing some multitasking fishing. We're gonna do regular fishing and well, open water fishing, I guess. And we're also gonna do some magnet fishing. Watch some YouTube videos on magnet fishing, so I'm gonna try it myself. Looks like kind of really fun time to try to find some lost and found. So we're gonna give that a go. So I'm gonna open up my box here for the first time. I kind of did take a little bit of a peek of it, but I'm gonna open it all up, see what all is in there. Probably have to tie on some rope to the magnet and see if we can't find some lost and found after ice fishing season wrapped up. Lots of people like to hang around these docks and drill out holes, and you always lose stuff through the holes. I know I lost a ice hole spoon scoop earlier during the ice fishing season. So we're going to try to go around the dock here and see if we can't find some lost and found lures and other knick-knack stuff. So it should be fun. Never done it before, but willing to give it a go. And while I'm doing that, I'm also going to throw a bottom pole and a top water pole on and see if we can't catch some fish at the same time. So a little bit of multitasking. So hopefully we have some success doing this, and let's give it a go. Let's start getting things ready. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and rig up some of these poles here. I'm gonna rig up a bottom pole with shad. Got my baggie of shad here. And we're gonna throw it on my bottom pole. So on my bottom pole here, as you can see, I got a hook from Teton Catfish, as well as a sinker slide with a weighted sinker clip to it, which is really nice for catfishing. So that way if they pick up the bait, they won't feel the sinker get picked up off the bottom. It just basically slides along the line just like that as they run with it. So we're going to go ahead and hook this up. Got my knife and 2x4 cutting board. Cut the tail off. Get a piece just like that. Rig it onto this hook. Just like that. Let's throw it out there. See what happens. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open up this kit, see what all is in here. Looks like you got the magnet here, which is Hippo Magnets, hippomagnets.com. Looks like this. Looks like it's a 304-pound M10 weight. That's super strong. I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. You can check that out. Looks like it comes with some gloves. Who knows what we'll find on the bottom. Okay, so we got 2 gloves there, and we got a rope. Not really sure how long this rope is. Go ahead and tie a knot here. By the way, I haven't gotten any bites on the bottom yet. Let the adventure begin. See what we can find, folks. I think I'm gonna tie this around my waist. Let's bring this guy. Alright. Find anything? Hey, we found a little hook. Sweet. All right, let's give her a toss. Alright, let's bring it up. I think I felt something. Let's see what we got. Whole lot of nothing. Nothing. Throw out another bottom pull while we're at it. Oh, we got a bottle cap and a piece of a jig head that broke off of somebody. Corona. We got a bolt and we got a little jig head hook. So let's go ahead and put that in the box. In you go. There you go. All right. So basically all I'm doing is just dropping this down to the bottom, and I'm just kind of fishing along here. And once I feel something on it, then I bring it up to see what I got. You can kind of feel it, kind of like a fish biting in a way. There we go, here's something else. All right, what do we got here? What's it gonna be? Nothing. I felt something. Drop it back down there. There, I think I got something. Well, not much of anything. It's like a cut off hook. Huh. We'll throw that in the trash. Have any luck?
How about you?
Yeah. Just catching junk.
With that?
Getting junk.
Junk?
Yeah, I got a magnet here, just picking up lost and found stuff.
Oh,
Well,
that's kind of cool.
yeah, what'd you catch?
Bass, crappie, bluegill.
Nice.
Had one muskie.
How far down were you?
Well, I started this morning off that corner. That's where I had the muskie come up.
Yeah,
It's off that where you're at.
I see.
And just straight down to the bottom, maybe. Gone for the crappie and stuff.
Yeah.
And then I went over to see if I could catch a catfish on cut bait.
Yeah? Any luck? That's what I'm doing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
So, bluegill and crappie and bass over there again.
Yeah.
Around that tree, but
I see.
my clicker never went off.
Well, darn it.
Yeah. So, you know what? It turned out to be a lot nicer day than
Yeah,
what I thought it was going to be when I started this morning.
absolutely. There you go.
Find anything cool?
Corona bottle cap.
Oh,
I found several broke off hooks.
sure.
Bolt about that big. It's fun. So, yeah. All right, thanks. You too. All righty. Well, that's gonna put an end to my magnet fishing here. First time ever doing this, and it was kind of cool. I went around the dock and picked up all kinds of junk and stuff and some lures. I'm gonna go through what I got here. I don't know if you can see it there in the camera. I got a nail. Actually got two of these. And let's see here what else I got. I got a bottle cap, Corona Extra. If you like Corona, check that out. That was kind of a funny find. Probably the best get. Well, I'll leave this for last. Got a nice little lure here. I'm sure somebody used that during ice fishing season. Check that bad boy out. So that was a good get. Another nail. Got a little spinning lure jig head type thing. A couple of drop shot sinkers. Some fishing line. The best get was this big old bolt that I found in the corner of the dock. So not bad for the first time out. I got a couple hooks too, and yeah, that was fun magnet fishing. So if you're interested in doing that, I'll drop a link in the description down below, and you can for sure check that out. The brand that I got this from is hippomagnets.com, and I think it can take up to about 200 to 300 pounds of whatever you find at the bottom of the pond or lake. So it's really fun to do as you go around the docks and try to find some good stuff. So as they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So anyway, hopefully you liked that magnet fishing video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you like this type of content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.